Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Loom recordings of UI walkthroughs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Loom application on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Click on the new video button to start a recording. Select the type of recording you want, screen, camera, or both. For a UI walkthrough, choose the screen recording option. Adjust the recording area to capture the specific application or web page. Click on the Start Recording button to begin. Navigate through the user interface you want to demonstrate. Explain each step clearly as you go along. Once you finish your walkthrough, click the Loom icon in your taskbar to stop the recording. After stopping the recording, the video will automatically upload to your Loom library. Give your video a descriptive title related to the UI walkthrough. Add any notes or comments that may be helpful for viewers. To back up the recording, click on the Share button. Select the option to download the video file to your device. Choose the file format and quality settings you prefer. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your device. Consider saving the video in an organized folder for easy access later. For additional backup, you can upload the video to a cloud storage service. Remember to check your backups periodically to ensure accessibility. Your UI walkthrough is now safely backed up for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.